Oh, the black thief.
Hey, I am the black thief, not this person.
So then who is this?
This is my accomplice.
But we had heard that the black thief operates alone.
Well, he's my accomplice and he's still learning how to steal. That's right, isn't it?
Handcuff both of them and lock them up in the godown. Take them away.
Oh my
Come
God.
on.
Move.
Come on, move it.
Let's go.
Come on. I'm yearning to make you my slave. You are the only one who can help me accomplish all my goals.
Brother-in-law, brother-in-law, brother-in-law.
Why did you take so long? And where's Bijli?
You know, because of her stupidity, we would have lost the lamp and the black thief. So that's why I left her behind. So I got the lamp and the black thief.
Finally, the lamp is going to be mine.
Brother-in-law, please accept this present from me. Bijli, it's you?
Badal,
Bijli,
you
it's you?
moron!
How did this happen? Tell
How
me.
come you caught me instead of the black thief and he got away with the lamp?
It's your fault.
How dare you? I won't spare you!
It's your fault.
It's your fault!
It's your fault.
It is your fault!
It's your fault.
It is your fault!
Your fault.
It is
Silence!
your fault!
Wow, mother. The food is delicious. The food is lot better than your cooking.
Really? You don't like my cooking, do you?
I like your cooking, mother. I enjoy it. When father sneaks out and gives away his meals to the bull in the street, it gobbles it all up.
I see. Hereafter, if you give the food cooked by me to the stray bulls, then I will get you killed in a bull stampede.
If he eats that food, he'll die anyway. Either way, father has to die.
Shut up.
What are you looking at? Massage my legs or else I'll strangle you. Rukhsar told me that Aladdin's friend Genie is also a pauper.
That means we were being nice for no reason. Didn't Aladdin acquire any treasure?
Treasure? No way. He will also be poor. I went into the storm for no reason and overexerted myself. Oh, my delicate body is in an ocean of pain.
It will take a couple of days for the pain to penetrate into your thick skin.
What?
No.
Rukhsar needs to pay the price now.
But how?
Leave that to me. You do one thing. Call all the borrowers to your shop. Regardless of whether Aladdin finds treasure or not, we will surely acquire wealth. You'll see.
Brother, my brother.
Black thief. I have always fulfilled my goals throughout my life. Both of you have ruined my hopes and dreams of becoming the king of Baghdad.
No.
It's all your fault that the black thief has got away with the magical lamp.
Brother-in-law?
We are innocent.
Innocent? You both are good for nothing. The time has come that the both of you
No.
All the vases are ready for the delivery. We are waiting for your orders. There's another good news, sire. The black thief and his accomplice are in our custody. Fortune! Fortune has favored me! Now even fate wants Baghdad's throne to be mine.
Black Thief and you both have made a very grave mistake by coming here. Now our boss Muchar must have got this news as well. You will not be spared now.
Hod Muchar.
Hod Muchar. Let's go.
What? Muchar is coming, yeah? Did you hear that? Muchar is coming, yeah? Today I will find out his identity. Muchar is coming.
Come and embrace me because a beautiful night like this might not come again. In this lifetime, we might not meet again.
Which song is that?
It's not a song yet, but it's gonna be one.
Stop talking rubbish, moron.
Moron? If I'm a moron, then what are you, huh? What are you? You're dancing with joy and saying that Muchar is going to come here and beat me up. And look, these people are so dangerous, so the leader Muchar must be so formidable. We have to run away from here.
You don't have to worry about me, okay? I can take care of myself.
I know that, but
But what?
I'm concerned. I'm concerned about myself.
Okay. Take your bag. Break the handcuffs and get out of here. I'm not leaving this place until I meet Muchar. But before you leave, you have to apologize for misbehaving with me. You said that my hair is like a buffalo's tail and that I walk like a chicken. Apologize to me right now.
What? We are in danger here and you want me to apologize? Why are you forcing me?
Whatever it is, you don't have any other option.
I won't be able to do my work because of this lunatic. Mother must be waiting for me at home. I have to get out of here. Alright, if you wish to die, then feel free to do so. I'm not going to...
Stop wasting time by talking. Apologize to me and then leave. Apologize!
Forgive me.
What? I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
Forgive me for whatever I said. I was wrong. Totally wrong.
Now you see it was so easy. I will open these handcuffs or else you will stay and say something inappropriate again. And then you will have to apologize again.
Thank you.
Come on.
Please be a little careful, alright?
I will break it with one strike.
I hope she doesn't break my hand instead of the handcuffs.
Let go.
Yes, yes.
Come on, hurry up.
Yes, brother-in-law.
Yes.
Why isn't it breaking?
I think it was made in Hindustan. Why is it taking so long?
Do it yourself.
Ah!
Ah! It was an accident. I didn't mean to hurt you. I really didn't want to hurt you. Is it still paining? We can't break it with the help of this stone. We need something stronger.
Right, we are going to need something that is strong.
Yes.
But where will we find it?
Hud hud muchad. Hud hud muchad.
Black thief, won't you welcome me?
Why are you laughing?
Because the handcuff won't break. And the famous masked thief of Baghdad is going to get caught now.
It's not just difficult but impossible to catch the black thief. Aren't you scared?
I fear no one. And I am really very eager to meet that Muchad.
Hud hud muchad. Hud hud muchad. Hud hud muchad. Hud hud muchad. Hud hud muchad. Hud hud muchad.
Those people are coming! I can't stay confined like this. Entire Baghdad will come to know the truth about me. If mother comes to know that I'm the black thief, she will be so heartbroken.
Today I will tell about this traitor to my father. After that, he will get such a punishment, which will be a lesson for all the traitors.
Sir, please come in.
Where is the black thief and his accomplice?
Brother-in-law, brother-in-law, see, brother-in-law. Brother-in-law, the black thief and his accomplice are escaping.
What are you waiting for? Go!
Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Oh my god! These people are coming!
Muchad.
Listen, it is impossible to escape from here. So stay with me and fight Muchad.
Hud Hud Muchad. Hud Hud Muchad.
See, no need to panic. They aren't in huge numbers. Maybe just around 12 of them.
12 of them?
Around 12 professional thugs and murderers whose intention is to break all the bones in our body. It is going to be a great fun now.
Fun?
Watch this. Yeah!
Hey, what are you doing? Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up!
Hud
Get
Hud
up.
Muchad.
I'm really grateful to you, horse. You proved to be my savior. Just like this, take us to Baghdad. Come on. Seems like I've stolen a girl who's beautiful like moon. Feels like I'm falling in love madly. Horse, I thought you would take me to Baghdad, but you are taking me around in this forest since long. I'll give you this tomato. Take me to Baghdad. Come on, have it. Come on, have it.
What are we doing in this forest? How did we end up here?
Hey,
You made me unconscious and then kidnapped me.
what, me? Me? You, here. You were showing off your martial arts skills and then you hurt yourself and fell unconscious.
This is not right on your part, Black Thief.
When your hands are in mine, then it feels like I'm in heaven.
Now, which new song is this?
It's not one, but it's going to be one.
Leave me.
First, promise me that you will stop behaving like a wildcat. Drop your ego and see. It'll be easier.
Fine. I promise.
Good that we saved our lives. Otherwise, we would have been in the clutches of that Muchar.
But I wanted to see that Muchar.
Is he some kind of wonder or what? That you wanted to see him? Listen, while there is life, there is hope. You can meet Muchar some other time.
But when?
I have no idea. As of now, my horse is hungry. Dear horse. Seems like you're hungry too. Here you go. Why are you acting crazy? Hey! Hey! Hey, Mr. Horse!
Even your horse ran away.
How will I return to Baghdad now? And the people who have lent us the money will pounce on my mother at any cost. I have to deliver this lamp to that honest man.
Brother-in-law, see what I've got here. The horse of that black thief.
Where did you find it?
In the far end of this forest.
It means that he has managed to escape from my trap.
No, sir. He hasn't escaped. But now, he is in our trap.
What are you trying to say?
In the area of the forest, I have laid elephant traps for their tusks. And I have few birds as my friends who very easily will make the black thief fall into those traps.
What do you think? That a single crow will manage to hold back the black thief?
Just lift your head and look around.
No one can stop me from getting that magical lamp now. These wild crows will not let that black thief to return alive to Baghdad.